Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my set of 2 blue light kind of glasses and reading glasses to go in front of my glasses. And so these are clip-ons and I've needed a pair of these, so these are great. So it comes with 2 sets of them, and in each one it's got the microfiber cloth to clean the glasses themselves. I think we know what this is, guys. It comes with the microfiber cloth and then also the glasses themselves. So let's open this up. So open it from the side and then here we go. So these are plus 2.75. So how you do them is you just kind of take it off here and then you can see it's got these nice little kind of edges here to go onto your glasses and so that it won't rub onto your current ones. But this is how they look. I mean, these are great if you want to magnify on top of your existing glasses or sunglasses or whatever you want. These are perfect. And I can tell they're kind of the blue light ones. You can sort of see. But that's the first pair, and these are perfect. I mean, look how easy that is to clip on and off. And then the second pair, here is the second pair here. It comes with all the same supplies. And then these are also 2.75. So there you go. You have 2 pairs of these, so you can leave one in your car. You can leave one, next to your nightstand or in your living room, wherever you want them. But look, they clip on just that easy. So I'll show you guys up close. It's this easy. You pull on the top there, you just put that down, and then you clip it like that, and then you just put them on top, close it, and there we go. Now these are reading glasses too. So this is sweet. I like these, and these are sweet pairs. They're super easy to use. The case is nice too and everything. So I like these. I mean, if you want a 2-pack of them so you can put them wherever you want, these are what you go for. Thumbs up.